What is an AHU, air handling unit? AHU stands for Air Handling Unit, a key part of large HVAC systems. It's a metal box containing a fan, filters, cooling coils, and sometimes heating elements. The AHU takes in fresh air, filters it, cools or heats it, and distributes it throughout the building. AHU are used in commercial buildings, malls, hospitals, and factories. They help improve air quality and maintain proper ventilation. Without an AHU, central HVAC systems simply can't function effectively.